Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad, unlock it and make sure it has power. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi if you plan to check cloud sync or online diagnostics. Now open the Settings app and immediately scroll to Battery. This is the first actionable step because the Battery menu contains both usage and health data. Make sure to tap Battery to reveal battery health and usage charts. Doing this early prevents background activity from skewing short-term measurements, so you get accurate initial readings. You'll now interpret the data in the Battery section. First, look at the last 24 hours and last 10 days graphs to see when drain spikes occur and note which apps caused them. Then tap Battery Health to find maximum capacity and whether performance management is active. This explains long-term degradation. Also inspect screen on time and background activity per app to understand which tasks cost the most power. If you compare patterns across days, you learn cause and effect and can plan targeted adjustments. You finish by taking corrective steps and knowing how to troubleshoot. Reduce display brightness and enable low power mode to extend runtime immediately. Additionally, disable background app refresh for high drain apps to stop hidden battery use. If charts or percentages seem wrong, restart the iPad and check for an iOS update, because software fixes can correct reporting. Finally, if maximum capacity falls below about 80% or you see unexpected shutdowns,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.